Today I'm making a bright and summery tomato melon panzanella salad. The most important part of panzanella is the bread. We're gonna cut it into 1-inch chunks. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna grab some beautiful summer tomatoes and I'm just gonna cut it into nice chunks. Take your tomatoes, place them in a strainer above a bowl. Hit them with some nice salt bay action. That is then going to macerate them for 10 minutes. Grab yourself some fresh mozzarella cheese. Cut it into 1/2-inch cubes. The bread is now done. Our tomatoes are now ready. Pour them into our large bowl. We have this magical tomato juice. Over here I have some balsamic vinegar. Pour it into there. Olive oil into there. Grate in 2 cloves of garlic. Some salt bay action. Freshly cracked pepper. A little special ingredient is some cantaloupe. Add in our fresh mozzarella, our onions, the bread. Tear in some beautiful basil. Pour the beautiful dressing. Toss the salad together.